G'day folks, LJ Esquire here. I'm in Chiang Mai, Thailand. I'm at Robin Beauty and Barber, and Tita's challenged me to get a bit of a wax, a bit of manscaping done. So we're going to get rid of some body hair. It's going to be painful, but I'm in good hands. I'm with Kung, who is a legendary waxing expert here in Chiang Mai. She does a great job. She has waxed me before, a while ago. So we're going to go through to her special room.
Inside car.
Right, shorts off. Tita's behind the camera. How you doing there, babe?
Good.
Good. First time you've been in here. Have a look. We got some best Brazilian. Thank you.
Many stuff writing on the floor.
Robin is waxing queen, goddess of the bush. Okay. There's some writing on. Oh, have a look at that one. I love my new vagina. That's amazing. No pain, no worries. Thanks for my vagina. Love you. Oh, Lou from France. Good on you, Lou. Okay, X-Squire's going to get some shiny new pins. Get the pins waxed. Okay, let's go.
Yeah, lay down.
Lay down.
ใส่รองเท้าไหม
หนูต้องอยู่ตรง
มอซ่าไฟมันได้ไหมคะ ได้ใช่ไหมคะ You see, that's why I go to the gym.
So you can hold.
I can hold
Cool.
legs.
Kung is killing it in the gym right now. She's there every day, squatting, and your trainer's putting you through some pretty hard tasks.
Yeah. So hot.
Yeah. Well, you've lost a lot of weight.
79, now 40, 47,
Wow.
45.
Amazing.
Food. A lot of food. You have to control food. ไม่ใช่แมวเอาไปหยอกนะ
หัวหิ้วกับไอ้
Who's your friend there?
กล้วยปิ้ง
Gui Ping. Is Thai for
Banana.
grilled banana. All right, she's good. She or he?
don't know
Oh, okay. It's going to help out.
friend good friend
Yes, very good companion.
ready
Bit of talcum. All right, here we go.
zoom ได้นะคะ
This is your homemade wax, isn't it?
right
Cool.
sugar and lemon
Sugar and lemon. How about that?
yes
Here we go. Oh.
breathe in and breathe out นะคะ okay.
Oh. Well, that's not too bad. Not too bad. So far, so good. Oh. Ah. Oh. It seems the closer to the knee, the more the pain.
what we do here first
Up to you. Okay. Someone up here said it was pain-free. I think they're lying.
defend with someone we are strong defend strong too hot นะคะ
No, that's good temperature. Oh, getting close to that knee. Oi,
It's okay
it's okay.
face over there
Oh, you can make a carpet out of all this hair. Oh,
carpet happy bird
happy. How you doing there, Goi Ping?
Quitting sleeping
Make sure she doesn't hurt me.
no
Every time she hurts me, you just bite.
bite and screaming อะไรหรอกQuitting ทำไม
Oh, right in the knee. Ah. Ah. Oh. Ah. Ah. Oh. Getting close to the Johnson. We went for a wax in Hue Hin, didn't we, babe?
yeah
Remember these women? I think there was about 3 women in the end trying to wax me,
Really?
and they were taking so long. Oh my God, little piece by little piece.
เขาแวกทีละนิดทีละนิดแล้วเหมือนเขาไม่เก่งอ่ะ
อ๋อ
เขาแวกไม่เก่งด้วยแหละ
They were bad.
ไม่เราก็อย่างพี่กุ้งทำแว็กเองพี่กุ้งรู้ไง
อืม
อย่างขนยาวมาพี่กุ้งรู้แล้วว่าต้องเตรียมแว็กยังไงไง
อืม
มันจะมีขนบางขนอ่อนขนสั้นขนยาวเงี้ยบางคนก็โกนมาเราต้องเอาแข็ง
จ้ะเพราะร้านเขาเป็นร้านแบบขนต่อขนตาทำทุกอย่างหลายอย่างอะแล้วมันอาจจะมีคนแวกไม่เยอะเขาก็เลยไม่ค่อยเก่งกันเท่าไหร่
ๆเขาคงไม่ค่อยท
ใช่
ำบ่อยค่ะ
ใช่
แต่พี่กุ้งก็จะเอาแว็กอย่างเดียว
They done your Brazilian too, and they took
ใช่
so long.
ใช่
ครั้งหน้ามาลองกับพี่กุ้งเด้อ 5 minutes for me
Five minutes. There you go.
ไม่
That's
ใช่
how.
แล้วคือเราไปที่โน่นเราก็ต้องหาร้านแวก
ใช่ไหมคะ
Oi.
teamwork and dream work
Okay. Teamwork.
อันนี้ขนไปทางนี้ค่ะ
Oh.
อีอู้อ้าว ขนมันจะไป different hair เนาะบางทีก็ขึ้นบางทีก็ลงหมดแล้วเธอโทเนียวเอาไหม
No.
ทำไมอะเจ็บเหรอ
Yeah.
You so hurt
That's the most painful part.
Really
Yeah.
ครับผม
That's the most painful
Yeah.
เขาคิดไปเอง
That's not painful You still laughing
both
not guy yet
โอ้ย
อ๋อสวย
Look beautiful.
no hair เออ bye one
โอ้ย
โอเคนะ one two บางคนก็บอก2-3มึงไปไหน sorry
Breathe in, breathe out, and laugh. Thank you for the best.
inhale hold hale exhale
Okay. หายใจเข้าหายใจออก
ช่วงนี้ก็จะมีนัดเข้ามาเรื่อยๆตรงนี้จะอ่อน คนถ่ายไปด้วยร้องไห้ไปด้วย สงสารแฟนด้วย one two three cute hair
Oh, is that done? Oh, wow. Well done.
oh, done.
Amazing. A little red, but look, it's painful no matter what, but
It's painful
I've had much worse. Oh. All right, we're going to do the arms now. The gorilla arms, monkey arms.
you shave again
I did shave maybe about 2 months ago.
2 months ago ไม่นิดแหละ
No good to shave.
turn your face over there no punch เพราะว่าเราจะ strip ลง
Glowing,
ครับผม
glowing, come to me.
Oh,
Glowing, come.
กล้วยปิ้งนะมานี่ลูกมา
come on. Oh, come and support me here. I need your help. I need your help, Loy Ping. Oh. Take my focus off the pain. Oh. Oh, wait. You okay?
okay
He's tough.
ปิ้งปิ้งไม่เอาปิ้งไม่เอาปิ้งไม่เอา
Careful, girl.
ปิ้งอย่ากัดหูลูกค้า ชิมเหรอลูกชิมเหรอ อีกตัวเขาจะห่วงห้องนี้มากเพราะอีกตัวชอบกินชอบกินแวบเพราะมันเป็นน้ำตาลไงแต่น้ำตาลนี่ไม่ดีนะทำให้อะไรอะมีโกรธอะอารมณ์ร้อนถ้าไม่ได้กินน้ำตาลปิ้งชิมอร่อยนะน่ะ
He
อร่อย
eat the wax.
ใช่ไหม That's why it's currently organic.
I guarantee organic.
Yeah, he's why he not die.
He tests the wax. Test for quality. He nibbled my ear.
Why no finger?
No, we don't wax the fingers or the toes.
ลูกชายเขาเหมือนกันคนนี่นะอุ้ยยาวเขาเป็นครึ่งอินเดียเนาะครึ่งแขก
What do you reckon, Mr. Ping? You doing alright?
tan now he get tan skin
Yeah, let's hope. Tan coming soon. Tan and big muscle.
อร่อยนะนะอร่อยไหมลูก ปิ้ง อย่ากัดหู อย่ากัดหูจักรจี he taste you อร่อยไหมอร่อยไหมลูก Okay, we done here. Sorry.
Are you crying?
What?
I'm crying and I'm laughing because the birds
จักรจี
tickling me.
ปิ้ง อย่าทำลูกค้าอย่างนั้น คนลุกหมดอะ เอามา
Okay.
arms
You're going to open a shop
yeah
for...
another after COVID
Okay, yep.
Brazilian
Brazilian.
not Brazilian
Alright, so you hear that, guys? Kung's opening up another shop, especially for Brazilian
yeah
waxing.
Brazilian
Oh. So you've done a few Brazilians before?
no not yet
Not yet.
You're gonna be the first one?
yeah I have to teach some staff lady woman ทำได้นะ
Any
lady
ladies out?
boys
Oh, you're going to teach
trainings
you're
yeah
going to teach lady boys to do
Yeah.
it. That's a good idea.
and make money
That could be like a novelty shop. Come and get a Brazilian by a lady boy.
yeah
That's a good title.
Oh, you see what's on top of your shirt?
Does he shat
What's
on
on
me?
the back of your
Does
shirt?
he shat on me?
Yeah.
good luck ปิ้ง
Congratulations.
ปิ้งทำอะไรลูก
Bing.
เอ๋ปิ้ง สร้างผลงานเลยนะมึง เดี๋ยวนะ but for this month I discount for อะไรนะ for Christmas 10% เนอะ
Okay.
yeah I put on my page also
Uh-huh.
maybe you first one
Alright. Your price is very good anyway. Alright, we're done.
That's it?
no toenail เหรอ
No, no. We
Why
leave
you
the
don't
notes.
wax your finger?
No, no. It's okay.
is mean
We
man
don't go there. We don't go there. Anywhere but the toes and the fingers.
put your leg
Okay.
both sides สิ
Yep,
เออ smash ใช่ เกิน is เกิน เห็นไหม โอเคไหม
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna sit on him now. Where is he?
What?
Where's the bird? Oh,
Here.
he's on the other.
Not step on him
All right. I've been waxed. I've been manscaped, and I feel good.
less hair
I've had many waxes before, and I can tell you, Khung's technique is definitely, although it is painful, it's definitely a lot less painful when she does it. She does it quick. Her sugar wax is very good. It feels a lot better than beeswax. Yeah, amazing. So if you're in Chiang Mai, come and see
come
this lady. Yep.
welcome
For any ladies, for ladies waxing as well, of course, Brazilian waxing and all that. Good stuff and good price too. Yeah.
thank you ค่ะ
Alright guys, that's a wrap for the waxing experience. I hope you enjoyed this video. This new channel is all about taking you to spas and salons around Thailand for different kind of experiences. If you do enjoy this kind of content, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, say hello in the comments. I'll see you in the next one.